You are welcome. We are to solve this question. Max reads 3 books, averaging 360 pages. Lucy reads 5 books, averaging 200 pages. What is the average length of all the books that Max and Lucy read? Let's solve this. Now, solution. Let's take the Max first. Max reads 3 books. Now, each book is of 360 pages. So for the 3 books, it means we needed 360 times 3. Now, Lucy reads 5 books. For Lucy, each pages is, we have 200 pages for each book. So it means we have 200 times 5, because that's 5 books. They say, what is the average length? To get average, we needed the addition of the sum of the books. That is, number of books read. That equals to 8. So we have 8 books in total. To calculate the average length now, so the average length of all books, average length of all books, that will be equal to, now this, 360 times 3 plus 200 times 5, which is this, all over the number of books, that's 8. So this gives us 1080 for this, plus 1000 for this, all over 8. And this gives us 2080 divided by 8. So our final answer now, that will be equal to 260 pages as the average of what they take. So if you want to now write it as it is, what is the average length of all the books that Maxi and Lucy read? So the average length of all the books Maxi and Lucy read is 260. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share with friends, and like this video. See you in another video. Thank you.